This is practice problem 5.4, and again for this problem I've got a chart of the Boston Bruins with the players' heights and weights. For part A, I want to calculate the mean height of the players and round to one decimal place. So the first step to calculate the mean is to find the sum of the values. So I'm just going to go down and add up all of the height values for all of the players. And if I do that, I get 2,186 is the sum of all their heights. The second step to calculate the mean is to divide the sum by the number of values. So the mean x bar is going to be equal to 2,186 divided by the number of values is the number of players, which is 30. And if I plug that into my calculator, that's going to give me a mean of 72.9 inches. So that's the mean height of the players. For part B, I want to calculate the median height of the players. So the first step to find the median is to arrange all the observations in increasing order. And an easier way to do this than going through the chart and just trying to write them all down in increasing order would be to go back and look at your dot plot from problem 5.3, and you can use that to fill this in. So if you look at your dot plot, we've got 3 players with a height of 69 inches and then 5 players with a height of 71 inches and so on, so you can use that to fill this in. The second step is to find the center here. So we've got 30 players, so this is an even number, so I'm going to look at the middle 2 players, and those will be number 15 and 16. So I count over 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. So it looks like this is 15 and 16 will be these 2 players here with the height of 72. And to find the median, we're going to find the mean of the 2 middle values, so that will be the median is equal to 72 plus 72 divided by 2, which is just 72, since they're both the same. So that's our median height, is 72 inches. And part C is to find the mode height of the players, and again we're going to start out by arranging all the observations in increasing order, and this time we're looking for which value occurs most often. So let's just count here. I've got 3 69s, I've got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 72s, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Looks like I have 8. I missed one there. 8 copies of 72, and then 3 copies of 74, 3, and 1, 2, 3, 4 copies of 74, 1, 2, 3, 4 copies of 75, 2 copies of 76, and just 181. So it looks like my mode is going to be 72, which occurs 8 times. So 72 inches is my mode. So that's part C. So now I've found all of the different measures for center of the heights of the players. For part D, I'm going to go back and look at my dot plot from practice problem 5.3 and see if this matches what I expect from the numbers I just calculated. So I say yes, it does. And why does it match what I expect? Well, we have a single peak at 72 inches, and 72 inches was our mode, and it's obvious from the dot plot that 72 is the height with the most players. Since there are a lot of observations and only one outlier, we don't expect it to influence the median very much. So the peak is near the center of the main cluster, and it makes sense that the median is the same as the mode. They're both 72. There is an outlier, so it does have some influence on the mean and makes it a little bit higher than the mode and the median. So our mean was 72.9 inches, a little bit higher. If we ignored that outlier, it would lower the mean a little bit, and then it would be 72.6 inches.